So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to enable do not disturb mode on your device. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the setting app available on your device. So let's open it. Now see, this is the home page of your settings. Now scroll down below and you will see the option of sound and vibration. So tap on it. Now scroll down below, then you will see the option of do not disturb on the left side of your screen. So tap on it. Then you can simply see the icon of turn on now. So tap on it. Then swipe your phone on the lower side again, and you can simply see the icon of do not disturb mode is enabled on the right side of your screen. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.